Hey guys, Billy Joe here for HO Scale Railroad, and I'm going to take that CP rail, the old Tyco Mantua that I just opened, and I'm going to take it apart and clean it up. So this is going to be a longer video, and we are going to go to the workbench. So I will see you there. Wow, there we are. Now, the light in here just is snapped into this little bracket. And it looks like it's riveted in there. Holy crap. Well, let's see how this goes. Does this come off? Okay, so basically what I have is this little bright boy for the Dremel, and I'm just going to clean up these wheels because this motor side is like totally riveted together and I cannot get it apart. So I'm going to clean up the wheels because it ran, and there's some excess areas here where I can get some lubricant in there, and I think that'll be great. I think that'll do it. So let me clean up these wheels here. Okay guys, so I got my Dremel and I'm gonna clean these wheels off like really well. So give me a second here. Really is all you need. This thing will run great now. So now we're gonna have to put it back together. There we go. Come on now. Here we go. We need to find that little lip right there. There we go. Okay, so then we can find it again. There we go. That's the back truck. And then the front truck comes in here, and then I'll have to put the screws back in. But first, let's see. This thing was, wow. This thing was brittle and it came off before I could get the screw off. So what I think I'm gonna do is glue this and let it sit and harden. So let me do that real quick. Okay guys, so here we go. Got this together here, so now all I gotta do is stick this weight in here, which just, I guess, just lays down in here. That's just weird, but that's what it does. And stick this fuel tank over here. Oh wow. Oh yeah, and then it clips in. Wow. Okay. I don't know which way it goes on. It definitely doesn't screw on, it just clips. So what I think is, I think it would fit a lot better if I turned it around this way. And here we go. Okay, there, and lift that up, stick it in there, and done. Let's go take it to the track and see how it runs now. Okay guys, here we are on the track. I'm gonna see if it runs. Oh, it runs nice and smooth. Yes. Good job, guys. And that's it for the CP rail. I got it running good. It's nice. Now I got to put a DCC chip in it. So then we'll talk about that. But for now, I'm happy. If you're happy. So now on to the old Santa Fe, which is a Tyco Mantua 2. And that was the one that was still sealed in the plastic. So I'm going to take that one apart, see if I can get it lubed up and get it working too. So I will see you next time at the workbench. Bye.